Hello guys, today I have this Samsung surround speaker 5.1 system. It has a problem with the remote control. Actually the speaker itself it's working when you turn on manually. I can only operate this speaker by this button. Function, volume up and down, it's still working. This is for a playback, skip, forward. Also all the speakers are working. The only problem is this remote is not functioning. I already checked the remote itself. I already opened it. I already cleaned from the corrosion from the batteries, and I already checked these two transmitter LEDs inside. It has two lamps. It's still working. The remote itself it's still good, but the problem is the remote is not connecting to the unit. See? Then the next step, maybe I will check the receiver. This is the transmitter lamp. Maybe the receiver is somewhere inside. I'm gonna check the receiver. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the type for this speaker is HT-XQ100. This is the RCA jack. This is for the power. Also we have a DVD. This is the eject button. And this is for the speaker connector. Each color is for a specific speakers. Okay, we have several screws here. Okay, be careful when you open this. We have this one connection from the fan. You need to unplug the fan, and also this power. Yes, we can unplug the power, AC power. So yeah, this is the inside parts from our Samsung surround speaker. Now let's open the front cover. Okay, now let's open the cover. Okay, this is the LED display, and yes, I guess this is the receiver. We got the transmitter and the remote, and this is the receiver. This is the function button, volume up and down, forward, rewind, selection knob. Okay, for removing this, for checking this board, maybe I will need to remove this power supply board, because it has two layers there, if you can see. This is the sensor PCB. Okay, now I'm gonna open this power supply board so I can go inside to the sensor behind this power supply. And also have two cables here we need to unplug. We have another layers. We need to unplug this. Okay, so this is the parts EHH101015A. This part is specially for the function button and the remote sensor. This is the sensor. This is the remote receiver sensor. Yeah, this one you need to replace. I guess you need to replace this. I will find the replacement and I will make a update for this video. And one more thing, to replace the remote receiver here, the remote sensor receiver here, you cannot replace with the regular remote sensor that available on the market. It needs a special sensor from Samsung. So I tried to replace with the regular sensor before. It will not work for a regular sensor receiver. So you need a specific sensor from Samsung to replace this remote sensor here. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and we made it so far, and this is very hard to open these parts. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this video. Keep follow my channel to see more videos like this, and see you again. Terima kasih. Bye bye.